What's up, YouTubers? It's me again. Just giving you guys a little update. What I did was I took off the wheels on my car. I rode it into the garage. I washed the car. I didn't film this part, but I gave the I'm gonna do the car in three sections. So I'm gonna do the middle part first because I'm doing it through spray can, so it's not gonna be as easy as just doing it with an electrical spray painter. So I'm actually gonna separate it into three sections. I'm gonna do the front first, then the middle section, then the rear. So what I did for now is I propped the car up. I took the wheels out to make things a little bit easier. You can always bag up the wheels, whatever you want. I taped up the windows. I added these extra ones because, like I was mentioning, I'm gonna do it in sections. So basically, what that's gonna do is it's gonna block it off so there's no extra runnage. It will just make things a little bit easier for me. But anyways, so I taped up this section, and I taped up the back, and I taped up the rear. So I'm gonna do it in sections. I added some extra parts to the car because I'm just gonna dip right over it. I don't know if you can really see it because it's kind of dark in there, but I don't want to open the garage, because dust's gonna come in, things like that. But anyways, I put on some mud guards. I don't know if you can really see it, but yep, there it is. I put on the mud guards, some mud guards. And then I also put on, it's a good thing I made this video. I put on a rear diffuser, but then it seemed to have popped out, so I'm gonna have to fix that before I get to this part of it. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna add an aftermarket muffler on there. It's an arc grip, it's supposed to be a pretty decent muffler. But yeah, so I took off my catback exhaust. That's the one I'm gonna put on right over there. I'm gonna do a little bit of mods to it. Put on, the standard bolt-ons, things of that nature. The car's rated pretty fast, so, I don't want to go all out. I had a 350Z before. I did a straight pipe on there. I did a test pipe, actually, and then with a catback. But, yeah, it gets pretty smelly without having cats on there. But, anyways, that's another subject. I'm just giving you guys a little update. So it's all taped up. I did the first coat on. I'm gonna do 6 coats. I did the first coat. I usually use gray on the bottom for the first coat. Then I'm gonna go black for the rest of them. But the first coat was a light coat. It took about 2 bottles or so. But anyways, I'll give you guys an update. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Thanks.